What's your name?
My name is
Panda. How are you today?
Angel.
Okay, Panda. How old are you?
And
I'm 4. Okay, Panda. Today we're going to talk about toys and colors. Panda, are you ready? Okay, Panda. What's this? Dog. Correct. What's this? Good job. What's this? Oh, very good. What's this? Sadie. Okay, Panda. Correct. Yes, it is. Okay, Panda. Is this a ball? Good job. Panda. Is this a teddy? Correct. Panda. Is this a car? Okay, Panda. Is this a doll? Very good. Panda. What toys do you like? I like car. Okay, Panda. What color is it? What color is it? What color is it? What color is it? Very good. Panda. What color do you like? I like